Have you been thinking about starting your own online business but have no idea on where to begin or even what to sell? Hang with me for a couple of minutes and I will help you. Hi, my name is Erika and I work as an online business ideas coach. You can actually create your own business online and do it through your passions. I decided to join this education, and less than 24 months after joining, I had totally replaced my income. So now I have this kind of lifestyle that most people only dream about. I can work wherever I want to, and I can do it on my own flexible schedule. And for me, this is so important. Now I'm allowed to open the door and say welcome to my little son when he comes home from school. And I have been out sailing for 2 months every year. I just bring my computer and my phone and I can run my business from the boat. I don't have to spend 8 or 10 or 15 hours in front of my computer to run my business. Because this is set up in such a clever way, I'm allowed to do the things I really love to do in life. This was so meaningful for me and the quality of my life. I now want to pass this on for you as well. If you click the link around this video and give me your name and email address, I will send you some great trainings for free to inspire you on what is possible to do online. But not only that, I will also give you a bonus. If you sign up now, you will be qualified for a webinar where you get to know exactly how you can get started today and how you can earn your very first $10,000 online. For me, when I first got started, that sounded amazing but impossible. I mean, $10,000 online. How is that possible if you have no previous experience from the internet or any tech skills? But I tell you, I was able to do it multiple times, and now I can rely on my passive online income. So if I could do it, so can you. So take the chance now before the offer goes out and click the link and I'll share this with you. I look forward to see you on the inside.